The RawlDISPENSER is a cordless dispenser designed for use with the R-KEX-II chemical anchor, delivering a squeezing force of 8 kilonewtons. One of the key advantages of the device is its battery system. A single battery is compatible with multiple Rawlplug power tools. With a squeezing force of 8 kilonewtons, it ranks among the most powerful dispensers on the market. This level of force requires a solid and durable construction, ensuring high rigidity and strength of both the base and moving components. The precisely engineered steel cartridge holder ensures the highest quality of work with the cartridge, eliminating the risk of it slipping out of place. The 6-speed control allows for precise adjustment of performance, ensuring both accuracy and consistent work quality. Thanks to specially designed pistons with 2 different diameters, the user is guaranteed the best possible solution for dispensing R-KEX-II. The RawlDISPENSER significantly speeds up installation work. The dispenser is also ergonomic. It features an additional leash to reduce strain on the user's hands and a built-in LED light for working even in dark or poorly lit areas. The ergonomic handle ensures comfortable use of the dispenser even during extended periods of work, minimizing hand fatigue. Rawlplug offers a wide range of products related to the RawlDISPENSER, including other power tools and accessories, chemical anchors, hole cleaning tools, threaded rods, and many other solutions. It's the answer to the needs of professionals who prioritize comfort and speed of work, without compromising on the highest quality.